Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by giving the app permission to appear over other apps. This is necessary for floating windows to work. Go to Settings, Apps, then Special App Access and find Display Pop-up Windows. Enable that toggle for the target app so the system allows overlay. Once done, launch the app and keep it active in the foreground. Make sure the app is not restricted by battery saver. This step unblocks the feature and prevents the system from closing the floating instance. Now you convert the running app into a floating window. Open Recent Apps and locate the app card. Tap its icon or long press the card and choose Floating Window from the Quick Actions. If the app supports an in-app floating button or a swipe gesture, you can use that instead. The system creates a movable, resizable overlay so you can keep the app visible while using others. Make sure the app supports pop-up mode. Otherwise, the menu option won't appear. Finish by adjusting and managing the floating window. Drag the edges to resize, use the title bar to reposition, and tap close or maximize to exit or expand. Pinning keeps the window on top of other apps. If the floating window doesn't open or disappears, check that battery saver isn't restricting the app, disable optimization for that app, and then reboot the phone. If issues persist, clear the app cache. These steps resolve permission.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.